Right, hi guys, Radio Fusion Music here. I've always loved TOA stuff, right? Until this moment. Yeah, that's stage 2000 we're in, and it's above a train station, so yeah. I've always loved TOA stuff until here. This is a ceramic piezo tweeter, okay? Now I was expecting quite a nice beefy piezo actually, because piezos can sound alright. As you can see, I've never ever been opened before. It's a brand new seal. But look what's inside. Oh no. Yep, you're right. That's the same piezo that was used inside my old Auna PA speakers. It is pretty puny, it's pretty pathetic. Although the woofer inside there, it's alright. It's an alright woofer. But there's no wadding inside, as you can see. There's no sign of wadding. Well, in fact, no. Oh wait, that is wadding. Oh well. I don't think there's any crossovers inside it, unless I quickly I give this thing a lift. No, there's quite a nice crossover network inside. Not a nice one, but there's a crossover network inside there. I think that was the wood. That's wadding. Really, the woofer's pretty nice. It's 15. It's quite stiff, as you can see there. There was another one of these, but it got wrecked. It got somebody stood on it. But yeah, no wonder there's no treble coming through it.